Hello, and thank you for joining me. I'm so excited now. I finally got my 24 MT09 flash by Vcyclenut, and I've been wanting to do this for a while now, but I had to get the recall work done on it. I have a small video on it if you guys want to check it out. I wanted to get his tune for many reasons I'll get to in a few. One of them, real quick, was just because I wanted to pair it up with the Yoshimura AT2 exhaust that I've installed a couple of months ago. I also got a video on that if you guys want to check it out. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. And we're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna do some street riding and also some freeway riding, and I'll give you my impressions. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm ready to go, so let's give it a start. Let's see how she sounds. It's not a cold start, but nonetheless, let's hear it. Okay, so now that I'm out of this parking structure, let's get started. So before I start into the performance and all that stuff, I wanted to get into why I chose Vcyclenut. So as I'm sure you guys know, if you're watching this video, you're probably searching for tunes or tuners and stuff like that. I know there's plenty out there. There's a lot of good people out there. The reason I chose Vcyclenut is I've seen his videos along with other people, and I just preferred his philosophy. I know he incorporates both street and dyno tuning. Some other tuners are more on the track-oriented aspect of the tuning, which is cool if that's what you're into. I just wanted that little mix of the street because at least for now, I don't plan on taking this to the track. And if I do, it'll be just track days, and it's not like I need that extra power or whatever that you might get out of something with more race tuned, I guess I should say. So that's the reason I did it. Like I said, I checked out his videos. I like them. So if you have an MT09 or any other bike, I know that he specializes in certain bikes, MT09 being a big platform for his. And so yeah, that's why I went with them. Okay, I just wanted to share this real quick. This is the letter you get back from David once you get your ECU back. I just wanted to point out a couple of things. For instance, he makes your fan turn on at 195 degrees now. Looks like he sets the rev limiter a little higher and also removes the speed limiter. Gives you instructions regarding the engine light of how to get that off. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys show. So if you guys want to pause the video for a quick and go over it, feel free. Okay, so now for the fun part. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to do a couple little pulls. I am on the street, so I'm going to take it a little easy, but let me slow it down and go from here. Alrighty, that was fun. Okay, that was fun. So let me do from second gear, start on that one. Maybe you guys could catch if there's no lag or anything, and make sure no one's behind me, no cops. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Again, I'm not an expert on this, so I'm just doing the best that I can. Let me slow down again. Let me try it just second one, okay? Second gear, I should say. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I'm telling you, from the stock to this, second gear is just way different. Even third gear. And I'm not even giving it full gas. Honestly, I'm barely like twisting the throttle. I haven't even gone full throttle yet. I don't think I need to. The bike is so amazing as it is, but with the tune from Vcyclenut, it just, I don't know, in my opinion, 10 out of 10. Alright, so now I'm just going to do some regular riding like I normally would. Sometimes I tend to short shift, sometimes I don't. Just depends on my mood. Let's get some downshifts in. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make my way towards the freeway. I'm hoping the freeway's clear. You never know here in LA. So I'm going to make my way there. Hopefully I could get a couple of good pulls in. And yeah, I'll skip right ahead. Okay, I'm approaching the freeway, so hoping I get a clear lane or so. And I'm going to be in second gear because we all know the big thing is the second gear thing. So I'm going to slow down here. I'm going to, hopefully this guy has enough room to go so I could go. Okay, I think that's enough. Well, I hope you guys can see the pull that I got on that. And again, I'm not really trying. I don't have full throttle on this because I don't think you need it, but I mean, he does open it up so you get full power. So when you give it 100% throttle, it's going to give you 100% power. I mean, to me, you don't need it, but I'm just letting you guys know. Alright, here's a little section that I like on the way home, so hopefully it's a little clear. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video now. I just want to thank you if you stuck all the way through. I hope this video answers some of your questions. And if it doesn't, please feel free to send me a question in the comments or make any comments. I am a small channel, so I do the best I can, but I will always respond to any comments or questions you guys post. I just really appreciate that. And if this helped you out, consider subscribing. But yeah, so again, to end my final thoughts on the Vcyclenut tune, I recommend it. Again, I have no affiliation with him or anything like that, with David, but I just wanted to say that, in my opinion, it's probably one of the best bang for buck performance mods you could do on your bike. My bike is, aside from the exhaust and his tune, performance-wise, it's stock. I don't have no air filter stuff. I don't have any of that stuff going. I don't, you know, if you want to go that far, go ahead. But in my opinion, that combination with his tune and any exhaust for that matter, it'll make your bike run like a completely new bike. So again, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. And stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.